Direct mail perfectly overlays with what we're talking about here, because there is a certain economics of direct mail that you need a high transaction size in order to make it work. You can't sell ice cream cones with direct mail. You have to sell much more expensive things. Well, direct mail is often the perfect way to sell the espresso machine. And there are a whole bunch of reasons for that. The first reason is if you're collecting names and addresses of all of the latte buyers, then you have their addresses. And the number one way that I use it personally and with most of my clients is with existing customers. And so what we do, we exercise something called RFM, recency, frequency, money, where we make a spreadsheet of all the purchases, and we are sorting them by, I am interested in the people who most recently bought, the people who most frequently bought, and the people who spent the most money.
So if you enjoyed this clip and you'd like to benefit from more monetization secrets, go and register now for Monetization Daily. You can go to monetizationresearch.com to get it. It is a free newsletter that is absolutely awesome. It is delivered to your email inbox, and it contains lots of great monetization tips, tactics, and strategies that you will love. Again, head on over to monetizationresearch.com to get it now.